Today we're unboxing the brand new Casio G-Shock GM-2100M-1AER. A bold new G-Shock that was just released. Make sure to watch until the end for a special discount code. Inside the box, you'll find the original G-Shock packaging, along with the official 3-year international warranty card. The reference number is GM-2100M-1AER, and this model belongs to the G-Shock Metal series. It features the iconic octagonal bezel, finished with a finely textured relief that adds depth and character. The case measures 44.4 millimeters in diameter and is just 11.8 millimeters thick. You get all the classic G-Shock functions, including time, date, world time, alarm, and more. This is how the watch looks on my wrist. I think it looks amazing, especially considering it's only around $200. And once again, this is the watch on my wrist, but now outside.
Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. And if you're interested in this watch, the link is down below in the description. And we have a discount of 10% off with discount code 20K. We ship worldwide and the watch will arrive within a few days. Thank you.